ngoba lo General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi himself nge-20 kaFebruary 2026 ebesamkela ii-members ezintsha ze-Special Task Force eziyi-13. Hayi yona i-crime iyawusohlula siyizamile. Elite of the elites. Hayi ke kwathiwa makeza azokwenza amazombulelo. Phofu simbonile ebaxibisa ngokwakhe, ebaxhawula ngokwakhe, ehambiselana ke phofu no-National Commissioner Fanie Masemola. Into ethe xa iphakama amadoda esitulweni yasalute i-National Commissioner yayo. Into ethe xa ifika yathi protocol observed. Ayi madoda miyekeni, wathi njalo National Commissioner seke wagqibile amazombulelo. Mna ngizathi gqabagqaba nje kwezindawo engenzeka into yoba ingathi uye wazilibala. Wathi andikwazi kushiya amagqala kwa-Special Task Force seniors zakhona ndingakako ndizibulele. Awathi andikwazi nje hayi wabonga zona
bebengaparade bebechambaza besehla ngerobhu kwihelicopter madoda.
Wathi hayi ke ucela into yoba nje umcimbi okwenokwenza ne-resources banikezwe nje ii-resources ezinafu zoba bakwazi ukulwa noba ubugulukude esijongene nabo. Hayi bafethu niyabona ngoku hayi zindala zombini kulate ngoku kude manikiniki izindala zombini naba basitshontshela ama-Special Task Force members wethu hayi siwareplaceile noko kuthe xhaxha abuyile noko izinto ezitreyiniwe eziba yinto uGeneral Mkhwanazi akathe nje wathi apha bathi xa besehluleka kwa-SAPS njengecommander ke phofu yena i-Special Task Force wathi xa besehluleka kwa-SAPS zezona ndwagala besezingenayo i-Special Task Force madoda. Wathi xa kusehluleka kwazona kuzaba se-SANDF Special Task Force members zizobancedisa. Hey kube South Africa njo ndiyazibuza into yoba umntu osezaba nesibindi sokwenza ubugebengu sekebonile into yoba silwa nabo ngendlela esilwa nabo ngayo awuzabe ngenangile babe nezibindi zodwa qha emzimbeni.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now call upon Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, the Provincial Commissioner KwaZulu-Natal, to deliver the vote of thanks. General Mkhwanazi, please.
Thank you so much, Program Director, the chaplain that opened the session for us as we started this morning. Program Director, allow me to salute our boss, the National Commissioner of the South African Police Service, the only general we have. I want to send the greetings. I want to send a greeting and salutations to all those that are in attendance. I don't have to repeat them again because the National Commissioner has already spoken. He has acknowledged everyone in terms of the protocol. I was invited by the Program Director to come and stand here so I can give the vote of thanks, but I'm sure you were all listening very careful. The National Commission has already done that. So perhaps I can just highlight for those that maybe he might have omitted on his vote of thanks. There are many partners that are with us. They decided to come and join us today on this parade that will include the colleagues from the security cluster that we work very close with. We acknowledge your presence and we appreciate the support that you give us all the time. The members of the Special Forces, I saw them from the SNDF that are here, that stand guard and stand ready to support the men that are before us, men and women that are before us, should they need any support. For those fellow colleagues from the private sector, those that are the livelihood of the men and women that are standing on parade today, especially those that provide them with health services. I've seen in presence today on our left, National Commissioner, the members from ER24. They work tirelessly in supporting the Special Task Force members, and they do so without any cost. It's their give back contribution to society. We appreciate your presence and the support that you continue to give us. Please do so for many, many years to come. For the fellow colleagues that are here, I have to acknowledge, General, with your permission, my former boss, General Nhlanhla, that is here. He's a boss. He was a boss of this team that is standing here, and was my boss before he became a provincial commissioner. We acknowledge your presence, General, and other generals that join us here that I don't have to repeat again. The National Commission has already highlighted them. General, we have amongst the seniors of the Special Task Force members that used to work at the task force that are still serving in the organization. I see Gerald Scott, Gerald Kumalo amongst those that decided to come and join and give support as we celebrate these members that are joining the elite of the elite in the South African Police Service. I think that's just about everyone. If I forget to mention someone, we are also acknowledged and appreciated for being here. General, what stands before you are members that have been trained, has been alluded to. And mine, as I stand here on behalf of the Commanding Office of the Special Task Force, General Nhlanhla, is to extend appreciation to yourself, sir, for your leadership and the support that you continue to give the Special Task Force. Of course, assisted by the Divisional Commissioner, Jeremy Moteti, we want to thank both of you. And we still call for, that's what the Brigadier said to me, I must say, that he still call for more resources that are going to help this unit to become the best and to fulfill their mandate. The mandate that you have given them, General, the task of protecting. They wear on their chest a name tag on their right, and a name tag with a South African Police Service badge. So they are on their left wearing the Special Task Force badges, which is an indication that what is more of a priority to them is that what sits between their heart. On the right is a SAPS, and on the left is a Special Task Force badge. Both of those, they want to protect and serve the community. So they are our last line of defense for every police officer out there that needs support. When the skills are limited, they call on the task force. And when the task force cannot make it and they feel they need support, then they call on special forces of the SNDF to support. So they say I must just pass those messages, General, and that they are very grateful to have you. They understand that you have a busy schedule. There are many priorities, over 68 million people in the country, close to 200,000 police officers, but you chose to come and support the less than 100 members of the Special Task Force in the country. Your presence is acknowledged, and we thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, do enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to see you some other time. Thank you, Program Director.
Constable Vertain. Constable Makopeni. Constable Mochaba. Constable Kanyeke. Constable Shangase. Constable Semelane, Sergeant Museleku,